Hi guys, so I parked my car in mall and on return it's not starting. It only makes clicking sound but no crank and does not start. So if you are facing same issue, it's commonly caused by rust or carbon deposit on your battery terminals. All we need to do is make them tighter or hit them several times slowly to shake of the rust, so current can pass effectively. As I did, but it didn't work. So don't lose hope and try 2-3 times and give it a shot. So you can fix it yourself just as I did. As you can see, it resolved the problem. If it does not work, then you may have a bad fuse or starter relay and have to visit shop to replace the fuse or starter, as my car sometimes does not start and then I have to do this to make it start, as I am not planning to spend money on battery or other extra stuff at the moment. So this little hack helps. Thanks for watching. Please comment if it may help.